is National Fried Chicken Day, and if you want to celebrate, I tried to find some deals for you. Now, there are not as many as I wanted there to be. I don't know why everyone's slacking on this national holiday, but I tried to find a couple. So on the 4th of July, Wendy's put this $1 Buffalo Ranch Crispy Chicken Sandwich on their Twitter page. So I think it is continuing. It says while supplies last, so you can try to go check that out today. And if you're heading to Knott's Berry Farm today, it's a Friday. We have a weekend tomorrow if you want to head out there. They're actually doing a deal as well. So if you visit the legendary Mrs. Knott's Chicken Dinner Restaurant, you can get a 10% off discount at your meal from 11 to 2 or 8 to 10. And that can even be combined with your seasonal pass discount. So you can head there and get some chicken dinner. And Church's Chicken, we have one here in town. They're actually not doing a deal. They're donating money. So if you go in today and share a story of giving back to communities, they will donate $1 to the Show Love Foundation. So stay tuned there for the rules. They'll be posting them on their social media page. So you can head out there today. And again, KFC not doing a deal, but if you want to see Colonel Sanders in General Hospital, you can today. So George Hamilton recreated the Colonel Sanders look and is on General Hospital. Colonel Hospital is actually trending on social media right now. So you can go check that out today to celebrate National Fried Chicken Day. And if you know any local spots that may be celebrating, let us know.